All right, hello third graders. Welcome to our first lesson of Unit 3. All right now you should grab out a separate sheet of paper. It says some bacteria double in number every 20 minutes. Use this information to complete this table below. So after 20 minutes, 8 doubled, right? It says it doubles and it became 16. So 8 plus 8 are, what would our multiplication rule be? Then in another 20 minutes, 50 became, what's doubled? What's 50 doubled? What's 200 doubled? Right? 200 after 20 minutes gets doubled. So 200 plus 200 would be what? And 75 plus 75 would be what? Because we have to double it. So 75 plus 75. And then 150 plus 150. Right? We're measuring in bacteria. Our bacteria is doubling after every 20 minutes. I want you to go ahead, fill out this chart. Put me on pause. Unpause me when you have your answers. Okay, so if you are back, you have these filled in. 50 doubled is 100, right? Half of 100 is 50. Well, 2 plus 2 is 4, so 200 plus 200 must be 400. 75 plus 75, 150. Oh, and then look, 150, it's 20 minutes later. We have to double it. 15 plus 15 is 30. Oh, that's not going to let me do that. So this is 300. If you do not have these correct or you didn't have them down, please fill them in now. And I'm sliding over onto the other page because this is the same numbers we had. 850, 275, and 150. Right? We said, 16. Right? What's our rule? What's our rule? We can't say it's adding 8 because 50 plus 8, is 58. But we are doubling our numbers. Doubling. What's the multiplication rule, right? Because we know it's not adding, and we know it's not subtracting or taking away because, or subtracting or dividing, because this number gets bigger. So if it's not adding, I must be multiplying. What am I multiplying by to make my numbers double? If I have to count something twice, my rule is I'm multiplying by 2. Okay? So you see this in number, my in is 8. That's called my input. So I put it in the in. Okay, the in is what we know. The rule makes it go. So 8 times 2, and out the answer will show. Okay, this is like 8 times 2 equals, and then 16. Okay, 8 times 2 equals 16. Look at that. Then we have our chart. All right, I need you to go and open up to our math journal page. 65. Take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher.